In this video, we'll guide you through the top belt sanders on the market, highlighting their key features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect tool for your woodworking and DIY projects. Let's kick things off with the best budget belt sander. At just $49, the SKIL 751001 delivers impressive performance for the price. Powered by a 6.0 amp motor, it tackles wood surfaces with ease, while the pressure control technology ensures a consistent finish by alerting you if you apply too much pressure. The auto-track belt alignment keeps the sanding belt centered, preventing frustrating adjustments mid-project. Plus, it's vacuum compatible, which helps keep your workspace clean. While the build isn't as premium as higher-end models, the combination of affordability, power, and dust management makes this sander an excellent choice for DIYers or anyone tackling a smaller to medium sanding project. Whether you're smoothing rough edges or sanding large surfaces, the SKIL 751001 provides solid results without breaking the bank. The CRAFTSMAN Electric 7 Amp Belt Sander stands out as a great value for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable sanding tool. With a 7.0 amp motor, it delivers fast material removal at up to 800 feet per minute, giving you the power needed for efficient sanding on a variety of surfaces. Its angled belt design allows for closer sanding to adjoining surfaces, ensuring precision around edges and corners. Unlike many other sanders in this price range, the tool-free belt release makes belt changes quick and easy, while the 3-position over-molded handle provides added comfort for long sanding sessions. The onboard dust bag ensures a cleaner workspace by capturing debris, improving overall convenience. At $74, it's a solid choice for both DIYers and light professionals who need a budget-friendly, effective sander without sacrificing performance. The METABO HPT multi-volt cordless belt sander offers the perfect balance of power and precision for those who want a cordless sander without sacrificing performance. With its brushless motor, it delivers smooth, consistent power for efficient sanding on a variety of materials. The variable speed control with 6 settings lets you match the speed to your project needs, while the auto mode adjusts speed based on load, reducing vibration and noise. One standout feature is its left side dust collection, which keeps the hose or dust bag out of the way when sanding close to edges. The tracking knob allows precise belt alignment, ensuring accuracy during use. While it's priced at $139, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-performing sounder without being tied to an outlet. Ideal for pros who need versatility, comfort, and efficiency in a cordless package. To get the best performance and convenience, you need power, efficiency, and comfort. The DEWALT 20-volt max belt sander delivers all of this, outperforming many others in its class. With its brushless motor, it provides up to 22% more power for a smooth sanding experience, allowing you to take on large jobs without slowing down. The variable speed dial offers precise control, making it easy to match the speed to the material you're working with. The quick-release, tool-free belt change is a standout feature, letting you swap belts in seconds. While its dust collection system is highly efficient, collecting up to 95% of dust, it does require the DEWALT airlock vacuum system. The over-molded auxiliary handle gives you solid grip, but the sander's size might feel bulky for those used a smaller model. For $209.90, it's a great choice for anyone looking for power and control in a cordless sander. The MAKITA 94034-inch by 24-inch belt sander stands out for its combination of power and comfort. While its cutting speed might not be the fastest compared to some other models, it more than makes up for it with exceptional vibration control, keeping the tool steady and precise during tough sanding tasks. The low noise level of 84 decibels adds a level of comfort that's rare for this kind of tool, especially during extended use. Its ergonomic design, including a large front grip, gives you excellent control over your work, whether you're sanding flush to walls or tackling larger surfaces. A standout feature is its labyrinth construction, which protects the motor and bearings from dust, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. If you're after a reliable, durable, and comfortable sander, the MAKITA 9403 is a solid choice at $199 for a corded tool that excels in both performance and user experience.